The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. There's Ellie and London and Junior and Bernadette and Kylan and Amira and Natalia and Anton and Royalty and Leo and Zariah and Maddox and Melanie and Cyrus and Carter and Leilani and Nara and Frederick and Deviani and Amia. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job. Good singing with me today. Those names were all crazy, weren't they? Some were upside down and some were right side up. So I had to use my eyes to see which way they went. That's why it's good to practice your letters so that you know if it's upside down or if it's right side up. All right, good job. We are going to play a game to start our day today, okay? I have some shapes today. I have some shape cards. And I am going to hold up a shape, and then I want you to see if you can find that shape somewhere in your house. And if you can't find it, that's okay. But if you find it, I want you to go and I want you to point to it, or I want you to pick it up if it's something that you can pick up. Okay? All right, let's see. The first shape I want you to find is a rectangle. Rectangle. Can you find a rectangle? Rectangle. I see on my rectangle it has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Did you find a rectangle in your house? If you did not, I want you to look at the big whiteboard behind me. What shape is the big whiteboard behind me? It's a rectangle! That big whiteboard is the same as my rectangle. Good job! You found one. All right, let's look and see next. What shape is this? What shape is this? A circle. Good job. Are there any circles in your house or in the room where you are at? Do you see any circles? Some of you are finding some. Good job. My friends who can't find any at their house, you're going to come with me and we're going to look at my board. And behind me, what do I have that goes all down my board? I have circles on my board. That's right. White circles. Lots and lots of them. Good finding with me. Good job. All right. Let's see about my next shape. What shape is this? It has 4 sides too. What is this shape? A square. Good job. See if you can find a square. Can you find a square? Good job. I found a square in my office. I have some blocks. And on my block, the front of my block is a square. Each side of my block is a square. Good job. I see some squares up there behind me too. Do you see my squares? See the shapes behind me? There's lots of squares in my office. Good job. All right, let's see what we haven't done yet. What shape is this? A triangle. Good job. See if you can find a triangle. Did you find a triangle? I found some triangles hanging on my board. Do you see those triangles? Yeah, I had to go to the other side of my room to find a triangle. I have two more shapes that you might want to find at your house. You might want to see if you can find a heart. Maybe you have hearts on some of your clothes. Or maybe some of your stuffed animals have hearts on them. Or maybe you have some Valentine cards left that have hearts on them. So use your eyes and see if you can find some hearts in your house today. And I also have a star. I wonder if you have any stars at your house. Those two are trickier to find, so it's okay if you cannot find a heart or a star at your house. I could not find any in my office, so that's okay. But you can look and see if you can use your eyes today to find some stars and hearts or some other shapes. Good job. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be talking about pet food today. So I'm going to show you a picture over here, and I want you to see if you can tell me what pet you think eats this food. Look at that picture. What pet do you think eats that food? Let's see if you are right. Look. Did you get it right? That kind of food was dog food. Do you have a dog at your house? I know some of you do, and some of you don't. If you have a dog at your house, it might eat food just like that. All right, let's see the next picture. Whose food do you think this is? Do you think so? Let's see if you're right. It's a cat! That kind of food is cat food. Good job. Good guessing. All right, let's see. We've got another kind of food. It's very different. Look at this kind of food. What animal eats that kind of food? It's a fish. Good job. Did some of you guess fish? Good job. All different kinds of pet foods come in bags or jars or boxes or cans. And all those containers that they put the food in, they usually have the picture of the animal that it's for. So look at this bag. What bag of food is this? What animal do they say it's for? They say it's for a dog. Good job. That kind is for a dog. Do you see the dog on the cover of that bag? Yeah, it has a dog's picture. Let's see what this kind of food is for. Who is on that can? A cat. So who is that food for? A cat. Good job, because they have the picture of the cat on the can. Last one. Whose food is this? What's on that jar? A fish is on that jar. So that kind of food is for a fish. Good job. You could make an art project where you draw animal food. You might want to make a box or a can or a jar. And if you made a pretend animal shelter at your house, you could add some bags and jars and cans of pet food for pretend in your animal shelter. That would be a fun way to play animal shelter today and to add to your animal shelter. And grown-ups, when kids are making pretend things like that, like bags of food, you can help them to write words on those bags and practice their letters. And that way, we're sneaking in learning, even though they're just playing. They're also getting to learn. That's how we sneak learning in all throughout our day at school. Good job, boys and girls, and good job, grown-ups. All right, we have one last game today, and it's a sorting game, okay? It was your homework today to sort by sound. So I'm going to have you look down on my floor at the things I have gathered together, and we're going to see if we can sort them by sound. Are you ready to help me? All right, look at the pile that I have on my floor. We're going to say the names of things, and then we're going to see if we can figure out where they would go. So we're going to look at these, and you tell me when I point to them what you think it is. What is this? Good job, dinosaur. Dinosaur. How about this one? Ball. Good job, it's a bowling ball. Ball. How about this? He is a boy. Boy. How about this one? This is a jar of dough. Dough, like Play-Doh, right? Dough. This is a drum. Good job, a drum. How about this guy? He is a dog. That's right. Is that our bingo dog? Dog. Ooh, what is this? A book. Good job. How about this one? Button. Right? Is that a button? And these are blocks. Blocks. And one more thing, we have a bottle. All right, so those are all the things we need to sort. And over here, I have 2 letters. What letter do I have over here? B. Good job. B says B. B says B. How about over here? What letter do I have? D. Good job. D says D. D says D. D says D. All right, now we have to figure out which toys sound like B and which toys sound like D. Are you ready to help me? Let's see if we can figure it out. How about the bottle? Does bottle go with B or D? Bottle. Good job. That's a B for bottle. All right, let's see. How about this guy? How about our dog? Where would our dog go? Would it go with B or D? Good job. He goes with D. Good job. So we've got 1 for each. All right, how about our blocks? Which pile are we going to put our blocks in? Blocks. B. Good job. Good thinking, friends. All right, how about our button? Where would our button go? Which pile? Good job. We're going to put it with B because it's a button. Good job. All right, back to our pile. Let's do this one. Drum. Drum. Where would our drum go? Drum. Good job. That's a D word. Drum. Drum. All right, how about our book? Where would book go? Book. Which one is it going to go in? Good job. It goes over in B. All right, let's see. How about our dough? Where does our dough go? Dough. Good job. That's a D word. Dough. All right. How about the bowling ball? Where would ball go? Ball. Ball starts with B. Good job. Ball. We've got 2 left. How about this guy? Where does he go? He is a dinosaur. Which pile does he go in? Dinosaur. Good job. He is a D word. Dinosaur. All right, and then our last one is our boy. Where does the boy go? Is he in the B's or the D's? He goes with B. You are right, boy. Good sorting. We have our B words. Ball, button, blocks, bottle, book, boy. Good job. They all start with B. All right, we have our D words. Drum, dough, dinosaur, dog, D. Good sorting. That is your homework tonight. You could make it trickier and you could do 3 letters. Or you can do it just like I did with 2 letters. And you don't have to sort as many things as we did if that's too tricky for you. That is okay. All right, boys and girls, that was a long circle time today. You guys did a lot of learning. So I hope you had a super day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.